Hey everybody, my name is Sam.
And I'm Angela, and we're Green Acre Homestead.
Where are we at?
We are in the Soap Shack.
So in this installment of the Soap Shed Saga, we are going to be doing...
Rough electrical.
Now, for those who may not know, what exactly is rough electrical? Is it that it looks really, really rough and you don't want anybody to see it? Right, hopefully not.
No, it is basically running your wires and putting up your boxes. You don't like actually wire anything in yet. Like we don't put in our sockets and light switches and stuff. We just get it ran enough.
Roughly. Alright, well, what do you say?
Let's go. I'm going to go ahead and mark out where we're going to put all of the electric outlets in here. We have some around the bottom, and then I'm going to do some at countertop height. So I need to mark those first before I can put in the outlet boxes. So this is the type of paneling we're going to use to cover up the insulation instead of drywall. It'll just be easier to use and you just need to paint it. So this is how far I need to space the boxes off of the wall. So we just have a scrap piece to help us do that. It's harder than it looks. Good. Well, that was pretty easy. Now I'm just going to work my way down and around the outside. So all the ones on this side are countertop height because this is where all my counters are going to be. And then we went ahead and put in a double box right here because I'm going to have like a bathroom vent type thing above it. And so it needed a switch. So we'll have a combo outlet switch in that double box. Next is planning the wire runs so we can go ahead and drill the holes. So we have a piece of cardboard that I'm going to use as a template just so everything kind of is even going across. And then it'll change once we get up to where the countertop height ones are.
Tell them why you did that. Why'd you start one and then finish on the other side?
Somebody, don't know who, told me to, once you poke through with your little end, if you'll go on the other side, it makes a much cleaner looking hole. So I'm going to go ahead and start running the wire from outlet to outlet. I think we're going to do probably 3 separate breakers in here just to make sure we're safe. So let's go.
Let's go. Hey, I thought you were going to pull wire. What are you doing?
I have to clean this place. I don't like all the sawdust.
Now you know why I clean my workshop all the time.
Oh, please.
Oh, boy. See?
It doesn't want to stay.
Alright, tell everybody why you cut that wire to that length.
So I can fish it through the box and put the outlet on it. And it gives me a little bit of extra in case we ever need to go back and rewire it.
There you go. Service loop, yes. You always want to leave extra in the wall to fix any oopsies in the future.
We don't have oopsies.
Nah. No.
This looks like a good way to smash your fingers. It's wonky, but it works. So this little plate here is called a nail stop. And we're going to have to put one of these over where the wire goes through the wall on every stud. You don't want to put a screw or a nail through a live wire. Wouldn't feel too good. So you basically just put it over where the wire comes through so nothing can go through. that's about it. Now we only have like 50 more to go or so. So we thought we were done, and then we remembered that we need a water heater. So we are going to have to run one more circuit for our water heater, and that should be it for Rough Electric.
Well, we think we are all done with the Rough Electrical. I say think because the last run we did, which is going to be a 240 volt circuit, we don't have the water heater yet, so we're not exactly sure if that's totally done as far as junction boxes or anything. So the wires just run to the location, and we're going to leave it like it is for now. None of this is being juiced up, so there's no concerns about setting the place on fire.
Electrocuting ourselves.
Yeah. The same kind of thing can be said for the lights. I have the wires, well, we have the wires run up to where they're going to be going. We just don't have the things in place to finish framing them out and everything. So that's, I guess, the two places that we're not totally done yet.
It's enough that we can move on for now. But, sorry guys, that's going to be in another video. And that's going to be putting in insulation.
That's right. So you have to stick around and see that next video when it comes out.
Thanks for watching, guys. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below and we'll get to them as we can. Otherwise, we'll see you guys next time in the Soap Shack.
Ooh.
Bye.
Bye.